Hello, algebra students and seekers of general truths. In this video, we will look at graphing inequalities, but not from words, but from mathematical expressions. Okay? So whenever you're graphing, always start with a number line. Right? When we're talking about graphing inequalities, we're talking about number lines. So this first one, when you look at the two numbers that are on here, -3 and +2. So let's put them on there and put them in the right order. Okay, and what we're graphing here is the value of x. So what could x possibly be? Well, x has to be less than 2. So put an open circle because it's strictly less and it's going this way. And it also has to be greater than or equal to -3. So this is a closed circle and extend it. All right. So x is any number between -3 and +2. Similarly, let's go on to another problem that has the word and in it. Let's put the two numbers on there. There's 2 and then there's 4. Okay. So first, x has to be greater than and strictly greater than 2. So it's got to go this way. But x, let me say that one more time. X is strictly greater than 2 and x has to be smaller than +4 or equal to. So fill in this circle and we're going to go this way. All right. So that captures that inequality. A couple more. This time we got the word or in it. So let's put -3 on here and +4 on here. And we know that x must be greater than 4. So we're going to go this way. Or, right, so this is an option, or x is less than -3. So it's going to be on the outside. So it's any number over here or any number over here. And one last problem. X is less, so let's put +3 on here and let's put +4 on here. So x has to be any number greater than 3. So we have an open circle going this way. And then we have or. So this is interesting. So x is any number greater than 3, or x is any number less than or equal to +4. So less than or equal to +4, we can go this way, right? And normally you would say, whoa, that seems really, really weird. But actually, this is kind of a weird statement, right? Because you're saying you could be bigger than 3, so that's a lot of different numbers, or you could be less than 4, so that actually covers all of the other numbers. So in this case, we can actually erase the little circle there. Right? And we actually erase that big dot right there too. And in this case, we're essentially talking about the entirety of the number line. This is all real numbers. X can be bigger than 3, so that's a lot of numbers over here, or x can be less than or equal to 4, so that's all the numbers over here. And that covers the entire line. So this is a special case. This is all real numbers.